Hi, my name is Abhishek. I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today's my topic is havoc caused due to Benami transactions. So before proceeding with the topic, I request you please like, share my videos and subscribe channel LexClick. So let's begin with the topic. So evading taxes through investing in assets with some other name and also getting return on investment for your black money seems good, right? So the amendment of 2016 Benami Transactions Bill you will not like, and this attract rigorous imprisonment for the said act. And as we are Indians and investors of great solutions, one such solution for this transferring the property again when you get to know that you can be interrogated and declare it as good faith. And lawmakers who to have many solutions, let's analyze these situations and make people aware that Benami transaction will not be easy anymore. So exordium. So the Benami Transaction Prohibition Act 1988, the Benami Transaction Act 1988 was enacted to prohibit Benami transaction and the right to recover property held Benami and for matters connected therewith. So Benami literally means without a name, and in this act, the word Benami is used to refer to a property asset with no name attached to it. The actual owner is not the person who has the legal title of the property, and this act is essential to govern flow of black money invested in assets and not hoarding cash. And assets in this act comprises property, shares, debentures, fixed deposit and bank accounts are held by one person or for another. So there are some terms required to begin the journey, like section 2, the clause 10 defines Benami Dar as the Benami Dar means a person or a fictitious person, as the case may be, in whose name the Benami property is transferred or held, and include a person who lends his name. The section 2 subclause 12 defines beneficial owner as the beneficial owner means a person whether his identity is known or not, for whose benefit the Benami property is held by a Benamidar. The beneficial owns, provide or pays the consideration for purchase of property. So beneficial owner can be any person. So section 2 subclause 16 defines fair market value as the price that the property would ordinarily fetch on sale in the open market on the date of the transaction, and where the price referred to in subclause 1 is not ascertainable, such price may be determined in accordance with such manner as prescribed in Rule 3 of Prohibition of Benami Transaction Rules 2016. So transaction which qualify as Benami, the transaction where property is transferred or held by one person and the consideration for such property paid by another person. So the property held for immediate or future benefit of person who gave the consideration, except when property is held by Karta or member of Hindu and HUF. So a person in fiduciary capacity for benefit of another person, like trustee, partner, director of company, of depository, and as agent of actual buyer. An individual in name of spouse and child, joint owner, linear ascendant or descendant, transaction in fictitious name, transaction where the owner of property is unaware of, denies ownership, transaction where source of consideration is unknown. So now let's discuss some of the examples of better understanding. So first example is that, like Mr. X, a non-resident Indian, purchased a flat for 10 lakh in the joint name of his brother and himself and made the payment from an unknown source. So Mr. Y, an Indian resident, purchased a flat for his son, a USA resident, but he denies the ownership of the flat. Mr. B, a resident Indian, sold a flat which was not in his name and was in an unknown person name, but deposited the sale proceeds in his own account. Mr. K, a resident Indian, a flat was purchased for 10 lakh and payment was made by an unknown person. So these are the examples. So let's talk about the exigency for the amendment 2016. First one is punishment. Before amendment, the punishment for Benami transaction was 3 years or jail, fine, or both. After amendment, the punishment faced will be a rigorous imprisonment for up to 7 years and fine up to 25% of fair market value of such property. and as the time grows, laws get outdated and inefficient for the purpose of protecting right of people and rules laid by government. Second one is retransfer of property. If it is retransferred, then it will be declared null and void unless as per section 190 of Finance Act 2016, where if undisclosed property could be disclosed, then it will be valid. The whole process affects the revenue generation, growth and development of the country. Since the percentage of taxpayer in the country is a miserable low and the government fails to successfully implement its policies and schemes due to lack of resources or will, a strong law against Benami properties is the need of the hour to check corruption. So let us talk about the some landmark cases that cleared the stand of law. So first one is Bhim Singh versus Khan Singh, Supreme Court. Key points from the case is that Supreme Court provides key points from this case, like the burden to prove a transaction is Benami or not lies on person who claims it to be Benami. If consideration is paid by a different person and other than in whose favor property is transferred, then purchase is assumed to be for the benefit of the person who's paid consideration. The intention of the person who paid consideration is most important, and intention is decided on current circumstances, relationship of parties, motives behind the transaction, other subsequent conduct. So another case is Srimati P. Leelavathi versus Shankaranayana Rao. So the key points of this case is that in the case of Pinapani Paul versus Pratima Ghosh, the court had held that the source of money had never been the sole consideration and is only merely one of the relevant consideration but not determinative. And in character, it is true that at the time of purchase of that suit property, some financial assistance was given by late G. Venkata Rao. However, as observed by this court in the aforesaid decision that cannot be sole determinative factor, circumstances to hold the transaction of Benami in nature, it is not Benami transaction, nor only financial assistance by the father in purchasing of property will not consider to be a Benami transaction. Next case is Niharika Jain versus Shri Andesh Jain versus Union of India. So the key points of this case is such that the Rajasthan High Court observed that unless a contrary intention is reflected, a legislation is presumed and intent to prospect. When an amendment affects right of impose obligation or cast a new duties or assess a new disability, is to be treated as prospective. And accordingly, the Rajasthan High Court threw the entire transaction entered by the petitioner before amendment out of the purview of Benami Act. So field of vision. So the government took a great stance by amending the law rather than getting new ones. An amendment was issued instead of new act, because if a new act was introduced, then the transaction entered from 1988 to 2016 would get protection, as well as the law does not allow retrospective punishment. So people intentionally do this to avoid payment to the creditors, and by doing so they are hindering the revenue system in the two ways. First, for their creditors by increasing their bad debts, and secondly by invading the taxes themselves, encouraging use of black money. So Benami transactions, especially in the real estate market, prevail and skyrocketing the price of lands, because people who purchase land in this way are ready to give more price without disclosing to the government, creating an imbalance between the price on a paper and price in real. So Benami transaction in foreign currency is still the regular practice among businessmen, and big loss for Indian government, as we cannot trace the account. The steps have been taken, but still much more effort is still required. In India, the currency for Benami is gold. Also, it has a very wide scope for embezzlement. There is a practice in markets, people book gold with some other name and consideration is given by some other people. So that's it. Thank you.